Ever thought moss might save your life? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the world of this underestimated green hero. First off, forget that old wives' tale about moss only growing on the north side of trees. Moss is an equal opportunity grower. It'll latch onto anything that sits still long enough. But if you find it on a vertical surface like a rock face, it's hinting at the north direction. Handy, right? Now let's talk hydration. Sphagnum moss is nature's water bottle. It holds a ton of water and is relatively bacteria-free. So, if you're parched in the wild, look for some sphagnum moss and give it a squeeze. Got a cut or a rash? Moss to the rescue. It can be used to dress wounds and soothe itchy annoyances. And if you're feeling a little chilly, moss is a fantastic insulator. It's like nature's fuzzy green blanket. Need a fire? Dried moss is like nature's tinderbox. One spark, and you'll have a cozy campfire in no time. Building a shelter? Moss is waterproof and makes a fantastic roof. Plus, it gives your humble abode that chic, rustic look. And let's not forget about camouflage. Moss is the ultimate in natural concealment. Whether you're hiding from wild animals or just playing a hardcore game of hide and seek, moss has got you covered. Some types of moss are even edible, though we wouldn't recommend making it your main course. And sphagnum moss? It's not just good for hydration. Its acidity and antibacterial properties make it a natural water filter. So next time you're out in the wilderness, give a nod to the humble moss. It might just save your day, or your life.